Look outside. It is raining so hard today. Look, outside. It is raining so hard today.
Oh no! We need our umbrellas right now. Oh no! We need our umbrellas right now.
I have my umbrella. Do you have yours? I have my umbrella. Do you have yours?
Yes, I have mine. Let me open it now. Yes, I have mine.
Let me open it now. The rain is not stopping. We must go now. The rain is not stopping. We must go now.
Are you sure we should walk in this rain? Are you sure we should walk in this rain?
Yes, we cannot miss the bus. Let's go. Yes, we cannot miss the bus. Let's go.
Okay, hold your umbrella tight. The wind is strong. Okay, hold your umbrella tight. The wind is strong. Wait! I need to put on my jacket first. Wait! I need to put on my jacket first. I need to put on my jacket first.
The road is so wet and slippery today. The road is so wet and slippery today.
Yes, be careful. Walk slowly on this wet road. Yes, be careful. Walk slowly on this wet road.
The rain is hitting my umbrella very hard now. The rain is hitting my umbrella very hard now. How far is the bus station from here? How far is the bus station from here?
It is about 10 minutes away from this place. It is about 10 minutes away from this place.
My hands are getting cold in this rain. My hands are getting cold in this rain. The wind is blowing very strongly right now. The wind is blowing very strongly right now.
Hold your umbrella with both hands. It might fly away. Hold your umbrella with both hands. It might fly away.
Watch your step here. The ground is very slippery. Watch your step here. The ground is very slippery.
Whoa! Oh no! I slipped on the wet road. Whoa! No! I slipped on the wet road.
Let me help you up. Take my hand. Let me help you up. Take my hand. Don't worry, it can happen to anyone in rain. Don't worry, it can happen to anyone in rain.
My jacket is wet and dirty from the fall. My jacket is wet and dirty from the fall.
Oh, wait! My phone is ringing right now. Oh. Wait, my phone is ringing right now.
Answer it quickly. Who is calling you? Answer it quickly. Who is calling you?
I don't know. Let me take it out. I don't know. Let me take it out. Oh no! My phone slipped from my hand! Oh, no! My phone slipped from my hand.
Oh, it fell on the wet road. Pick it up! Oh, it fell on the wet road. Pick it up!
Oh no! Is the screen broken? Let me see. Oh no! Is the screen broken? Let me see.
Let me look. I can see a small crack. Let me look. I can see a small crack.
Oh, that is really bad. I am so upset. Oh, that is really bad. I am so upset.
Don't worry, we can fix it at a shop. Don't worry, we can fix it at a shop.
I hope the phone still works. Let me check. I hope the phone still works. Let me check.
Always put your phone in your pocket in rain. Always. Put your phone in your pocket in rain.
There are many people waiting at the bus station. There are many people waiting at the bus station.
Yes, they are all waiting for the same bus. Yes, they are all waiting for the same bus.
I am so happy we did not miss the bus. I am so happy we did not miss the bus.
Do you know which bus we need to take? Do you know which bus we need to take?
Yes, we need to take bus number 22. Yes. We need to take bus number 22.
I am hungry. Did you bring any food today? I am hungry. Did you bring any food today?
Yes, I have some biscuits in my bag here. I have some biscuits in my bag here. I made them myself this morning before we left. I made them myself this morning before we left.
Really? You made these yourself? They are amazing! Really? You made these yourself? They are amazing!
Do you have a tissue? My nose is running. Do you have a tissue? My nose is running.
Yes, here. I have tissues in my jacket pocket. Yes. Here. I have tissues in my jacket pocket.
The bus is slowing down. It is stopping here. The bus is slowing down. It is stopping here.
I see 2 seats together near the window. Perfect. I see 2 seats together near the window. Perfect.
Great! Let's sit there before someone else takes them. Let's sit there before someone else takes them. The bus is moving now. We are on our way. We are on our way.
Look outside. The rain is still falling very hard.
Look outside.
The rain is still falling very hard. How long will this bus ride take from here? How long will this bus ride take from here?
About 30 minutes to reach our destination today. About 30 minutes to reach our destination today.